Hello, people. I'm going to talk about recent news that a 7.4 quake struck Indonesia, and there is a tsunami warning that is in effect by the USGS. In the recent, in the last 2 weeks, I'm seeing a lot of quake activities. I gonna provide you the information about these quakes and the dates and the place. A magnitude 5.0 off the coast of southern Alaska took place on June 16, 2010. A 5.1 hit Scotia on June 15. A 6.2 near the north coast of Papua, Indonesia on June 16. A 7.5 earthquake hit Nicobar Island, India region on June 12, 2010. A 6.1 magnitude earthquake hit near the east coast of Honshu, Japan on June 13. A magnitude 5.5 hit southern Xinjiang, China on June 10. A 5.0 hit Lake Victoria region, Kenya on June 13. A 5.0 hit Alaska Peninsula on June 12. And a 5.1 hit on June 16 Andreov Island, Aleutian East, Alaska. So from June 10 to the 16th, we are having a lot of quake activity, and not a small one. All the quakes are from 5 to 6 and even 7 plus. So only 1 week, and in places where people live, not in the open sea or something like that. So we need to be very careful this coming 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, because things are getting worse. I can predict, because I am not I don't work with the USGS or nothing like that. But if there is a line and you're riding a line in from left to right, you need to finish some point, yeah. But if you're riding from left to right, it's like thinking that in some point this is gonna finish from start to end. What I'm trying to say is that we are starting to get hit more strong, and the line is not finished yet. We're starting the line, so we need these 2 weeks, 3 weeks to be very, very, very careful, looking at the news, following the USGS, looking at Iceland quake activity, because the Ashka and the Katla are getting a little bit of movement. More the Ashka, that is with heavy sign of eruption. Same in Taal, Philippines. The volcano Taal is showing sign of awake. All of these earthquakes. Now is the time for the hurricane season. We need to stay very alert, people. Stay looking at the internet. I will be trying to get all the information I can, basically for quakes, volcanoes, and hurricanes. That's my point. That's what the topics I want to focus and get the information for you people. The other, I leave it to others. But trust me, we need to stay looking at what is going on, because in only a week all these things going on is not usual, and in only a week, quakes are not are getting stronger and hitting more. So stay alert. Thank you for hearing this. Sorry for my English. I'm trying my best to inform you. As I say, God bless you all. And have a healthy family. Peace.